what's going on, guys? Mac here with Droid Tech Reviews, and welcome back to the 4th installment of AutoFocus. And in this video, we're going to be installing the dashcam, like finally, for the Sirocco. So if you didn't know, I did the unboxing video on the dashcam a while back, and I'm using the 70mm A500 dashcam. Why? Because after considering both the A800 and the A500, I realized that the A800 wasn't so practical for me because, as you can see, the glass behind is actually tinted quite dark, and having the rear cam actually doesn't make any sense because the tint actually nullifies the use of the rear cam anyways because it's too dark. So I decided to just go with the front dash cam, so I went with the A500, and I think the resolution, everything is on point because I've actually used the 70mm Pro dash cam on my Civic as well as the CR-V and the Volkswagen Vento, and it works fine to me. But however, this model, the voice prompts are a little bit different compared to the 70mm Dashcam Pro. But however, the A500 has some features over the 70mm Pro, is that the GPS is inbuilt, and overall the sensor is different. So I guess color temperature wise, the 70mm Pro is more warmer tone, but the A500 is a cooler tone. Okay, enough talking about the dash cam. I also did a couple of stuff with the Sirocco. So number one, I just DIY installed a high flow drop-in filter from Works. So I just got it, and I had to remove a couple of Torx T25 screws. So if you're interested to change your own filter, instead of using the original paper filter, you can actually get an aftermarket washable high flow drop-in filter. So I got mine for about 200 odd ringgit, and I think that is adequate enough because I didn't want to go for a complete intake kit like with the Civic, because what I heard is that the intake kit for the 1.4 TSI doesn't really fit that well. I'm not sure whether they fixed it, but for now I'm just going to use a drop-in filter till I go to the stage where I will remap the car and so on and so forth. And the second thing with the Sirocco is that I got the rims painted because when I actually went to a tyre shop to actually change all 4 tyres, I found out that 3 of the 4 rims were actually sort of bent. So they had to actually skim the rim. Skimming is actually removing a layer, so they had to skim the rim and make sure they didn't wobble anymore. So I got that fixed, and also I decided to get the rims sprayed in black because why not, right? Viper green car with black rims, and stock rims especially, I think it looks pretty good. So I decided to go with that instead of changing aftermarket rims. So the rims, the painting and also the repair cost around 400 odd ringgit, which in my opinion is not too bad. And also in terms of the tires, I'm using Toyo CR1. Offers very good all-round value and performance, especially on wet roads, because I've actually tested these tires on wet roads. Alright, now so I'm actually headed to MKII Accessories again to actually get dashcam installed, because when you go there you do have to find Aming, which is the boss for the shop, and I've known him for like what, 8 years now, and he has always handled my car wiring systems because I trust him with his skill, because he actually goes for training. It's not like some of the other shops we just simply plug in stuff and cut wires and stuff like that. He doesn't do that. He doesn't believe in like extensive modification, especially on continental cars or cars with warranty like my Civic. I actually installed the dash cam, and it's actually hardwired into the car, but he did it in such a way where I can easily remove it in terms of when it comes to warranty claims. So I think that's pretty good, especially when you have a car wireman that is like very responsible like him. That's the reason I'm recommending him to you guys. As you saw in my previous video, I went there to do the tinting as well because he does a pretty good job, and very reasonable as well. Alright, so enough talking, let's head over to MKII Accessories, and I will see you guys when I reach the destination. Alright guys, so we're actually in Aming's shop, and he's going to fix the dash cam right here. So this is the hardwire kit, and then this is the dash cam which I'm using right here. So I'll show you the whole process, and I'll be right back. so the dashcam is finally installed. Let's peel off the plastic. You can see right here, this is hardwired into the car electrical system. So that means I get a 24-hour parking surveillance as well, which is actually one of the main highlights of this dashcam. You can see right here, everything's working fine. So the dashcam is done now. Let me get into the headlamp wrapping. So I'm actually re-wrapping my headlamp with PPF from a 3M. Alright, so guys, I'll show you the process right now. Guys, you're officially done for the day. So I did a couple of things today. I did my headlamp tinting, I did my dash cam. Of course, the dash cam was the main priority because I waited quite a long time for Aming to actually come back and get my dash cam installed. And so far it's been working good. The battery is kind of low, so I can't really test out the 24-hour parking surveillance yet. But as soon as I get the battery charged, I will test it out and see how it works. And there's also parking time-lapse photo as well. So I think it's pretty good overall, the dashcam. But we'll see how it performs in the next couple of days as I use it. Alright, so I've quite a lot of things coming up for this car. I've coilovers coming up as well, because I think I will do the coilovers first for suspension wise, and then I will proceed with exhaust as well as remap. But when I touch the exhaust system, especially the downpipe, I will definitely have to go and get the tuning done, because there will be engine check lights and stuff like that. So there will be a whole set of mods all together by itself in one video. So anyways, that concludes this video for today. So thanks guys for watching, and thanks guys for all the support you've given me. And I really enjoy making these videos for you guys, because it's something new and I've never done like car videos before. So these couple of videos have actually been very fun. I've been learning from the feedback you guys have been giving me, and I will be making more videos just like this one. And also I'll be still doing tech videos, so I do have a couple of tech videos coming up. So there'll be a new one from Autobox as well, so they'll be coming up probably the next video before this video, because actually I'll be probably pushing this video up next week or something like that. Alright, so thanks guys for watching. If you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.